Something or what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any.
Besides Ashley, what's poppin', y'all? If you don't know who I am, Ashley is a terrible friend because she should have been told y'all about me, but my name is Devonte and I'm her best friend. If you think you're her best friend, you're wrong, you're not. Now we about to teach you how to be a bad chick.
You don't call me that for nothing.
Nope.
Diamond princess, straight VVS stunting.
Now before we teach you that, we gotta tell you two important things about makeup. There's only two things you need to know how to do when doing makeup. One, know how to paint. Two, because that's all it is glorified painting. Two, know how to blend. That's all you got to do. Now, she took a very fine brush in the beginning and just got around her eyebrows with this makeup. You know what I'm saying? You know, you got to have a very fine brush to make sure you don't get your eyebrows. Now, you take an even fatter brush to get your eyelids. Now, what we're about to do next is eyeshadow. Now, always start with the eyelids. Always, because first of all, that's the money grabber. That's what pops. That's the color. That's where you're going to get your most color at besides your lips. And also Ashley's doing it, so that's why you should do it. Okay, so bang. You start off with a color that you like of your choice, you know what I'm saying? But never do one color with anything. I don't care if it's makeup or you making a flyer for somebody, birthday bash. Click the notification bell, you know what I'm saying? Let me just tell you that, you know what I'm saying? So never do one color. Always have a secondary color, maybe even a third color if you as bad as Ashley is, you know what I'm saying? But always find a second color to blend in. It always look good. I promise you guys. I wouldn't lie to y'all. What I tell you, she doing a third color. That's only for professionals, you know what I'm saying? So next we're doing the cheeks with foundation, and I believe that's what that's called, but that's next. Hold on. Ashley, I heard that's kind of expensive. Loan me $5. I think that's called foundation, but she putting that on her face to put it on her face. All right, now next, what we going more next? Ashley, loan me 10. Can I get a 20? All right, so we're gonna put that on an even fatter brush, and we just gonna smash that like button. I'm sick of telling y'all stuff. Smash the like button. Y'all should know everything. She gonna ask y'all to hit the notification bell, like and subscribe. I'm sick of telling y'all. If I gotta tell y'all again, I'm gonna get mad. So look, I don't know what this is called specifically, what she got in her hand, but I can tell y'all this. Basically, this is almost like a light trick, okay? You know how when you take a selfie and you hold it up and you're trying to find that right light to hit your face in that specific place? Well, you're basically mimicking this with makeup. So, you know how she started in the middle of her face? Watch how she blends it out to make it look like, you know what I'm saying, like a light is hitting her, you know what I'm saying? It's bright, and then it fades out, you know what I'm saying? It's almost like how when the light hits you in the face, you know what I'm saying? It's just a trick. Now we're gonna take some all-nighter. All basically this is a pink napkin, you know what I'm saying? Don't use any other color than pink or it's not gonna work. So you just blend your face, you make sure everything's nice and even, and you know, just flowing right. And then you take some e.l.f. Now e.l.f. is for the eyebrows, always, you know what I'm saying? They don't make e.l.f. for anything else besides your eyebrows. That's a complete lie. Okay, so you just really touching up your eyebrows and make sure they straight. Look. Okay, Ashley, I see you. Need to get some morph. Morph is pretty much contour. Contour, it enhances, and sometimes it can really just make up features, because I seen this one girl with some contour on and I was like, I know your cheekbones are not that high. You know what I'm saying? Trash. Don't overdo it. Whatever you're doing, ladies, with makeup, don't overdo it. Because sometimes you just look like a skeleton or you look like trash. All right, now we're gonna keep it going with the contour, you know what I'm saying? And see, Ashley, she don't do too much. She just enhance her natural beauty that's already there, you know what I'm saying? Everybody can't be like her, but whatever. Okay, so and then you take some highlight and you see how her cheeks start glowing. Look at her cheek. Oh, okay, after she get this, now watch this. Her cheek just start glowing out of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? That's highlighter, you know what I'm saying? Then she gonna finish it off with some blush, which is very nice because it kind of complements her eyeshadow. And you let your soul glow, you know, real quick.
1, 2, 3. Just let your soul glow. Just let it shine through. Just let your soul glow, baby.
Yeah, okay, now this is important. Carmex ain't always gonna do it, ladies. Sometimes you need to reach in your bag, literally and figuratively, and grab out some lipstick. I'm not sure if that's lip gloss or whatever, but you know what I'm saying? You just can't be basic all the time with the Carmex. It's not gonna work, you know what I'm saying? Your lips still be chapped even when you got your Carmex on, so do better. Okay, Ashley, some $500 makeup and rub it all over your lips. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you get it right. It's simple. And let me tell y'all something about Ashley. Use your discount code right now. FB Ashley for 10% off. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all broke. And I'm not saying that to bash nobody being broke, because I'm broke too. But let me tell you how bad Ashley is. She's so bad after the eyeshadow, the contour, the foundation, the everything. Immediately when she done with her makeup, boom, look at her hair. Wavy. You ain't seen, look at how her hair glowing. It's just simple. She don't even have to do her hair. When you get to the level that she is, you don't have to do your hair no more. Now, she out, but I ain't done talking. I gotta say something to y'all real quick. Now, you better subscribe, like, and comment, because I'm really sick of telling y'all this. I really shouldn't have repeated this time. I really should have just started putting hands on y'all. Okay, but let me tell you something. Everybody ain't gonna be able to look as good as Ashley, but I can promise you this: if you like, subscribe, set on that notification bell, and watch every video she posts, you can at least come close. All right, I'm finna start eating my grapes because y'all done worked up an appetite, making me mad by not subscribing. Because there's some of y'all who watching this and still not subscribed, and I'ma find you. But I'm out. Keep dreaming.